Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add collections on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe for 1 minute. So open admin panel and now click on products and select collections. So to add or create a new collection, click on create collection and enter the collection title here. And you can add description about your collection, and you can select the collection type. If you select manual, add product to this collection one by one, or you can select automated, existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. So you can change the condition, and you can set a collection image from here and then click on save. So here we can see a new collection has been created here, and now let's see how to add product to collection. So for that, go to products and open any product which you want to add to your collection and scroll down, and here you will find this collection option. So click on collection and from here select that collection where you want to add the product and click on save. So this was how we can add collections. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.